Let's discuss about the topic cybersecurity and types of cybersecurity in this video. So, what is cybersecurity? It is the practice of protecting computers, networks, servers, mobile devices, electronic systems, and data from cyber attacks. It is also known as information technology security. It protects internet connected systems like hardware, software, and data from cyber attacks. This is used by persons and organizations to protect against unauthorized access to the data centers and other computerized systems. Cyber attack. A cyber attack is an attack launched by cyber criminals using one or more computers against single or multiple computers or network. A strong cybersecurity approach can provide a good security strength against the cyber attacks planned to access, modify, delete, destroy, or extract an organization's or user's system and sensitive data. What is the importance of cybersecurity? The world completely depends on technology more than ever before. The importance of cybersecurity increases with the increase in the number of users, devices, and programs in the modern organizations. The increase in the amount of data that is sensitive makes cybersecurity more important. Today, all the governments and the businesses store a lot of data on computers and transmit it across networks to the other computers. Cybersecurity is important because the government, military, financial, medical, and many other organizations gather, process, and store huge amount of data on the computer and other devices. Most of these data can be very sensitive, for which unauthorized access could have negative consequence. Organizations transmit sensitive data across the network and to other devices. So we need to take steps to protect their sensitive data and businesses. The rising complexity of the cyber attacks and the variety of attack techniques multiplies the problem even further. Types of cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is used in variety of fields from business to mobile computing. The cybersecurity field can be divided into many different sections, and for the success of the cybersecurity program, the coordination of all the sections within the organization is very important. Some of the categories are network security, the process of defending the network from unwanted users, attacks, and interruptions. Application security, it concentrates on keeping software and devices free from threats. Apps requires regular updates and testing to confirm these programs are protected from attacks. Endpoint security, the process of defending remote access to a company's network. Information security, the integrity and privacy of data are protected both in storage and in transmit. Operational security, this includes the process and decision for handling and protecting data assets, the user's permissions when accessing a network, and the technique that determines how and where the data may be stored or shared all comes under this. Cloud security. A large challenge in an online environment is protecting the data 100% as many files are in digital environment or the clouds. Disaster recovery and business continuity. This describes how an organization responds to a cybersecurity event or any other occurrence that causes the loss of operation or data. We need a plan to restore its operation and data to return to the same operating capacity as before. End user education. Educating users to delete suspicious email attachments, password changes regularly, etc., are an important part of cybersecurity. Here, the users can be the employees accessing the network or customers logging onto the app. Benefits of cybersecurity. The benefits of applying and maintaining cybersecurity includes protection for data and network, prevention of unauthorized user access, protection for end users and endpoint devices, improved data security and business continuity management, faster recovery time in the event of a breach. It protects your business and allow employees to work safely. Thank you for watching the video. For more details, please visit our website or mail to us.